How to log out of Litmatch account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can log out of Litmatch account. Once you're logged in and you want to log out, move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. Once you're in your profile page, move to the top right corner as well and click on the gear icon, which stands for your settings. Once you're on your settings page, the next step is for you to scroll down. You will see different options, right? Such as switch mode, which will take you to the mode where you can switch from light mode to dark mode. You can see edit profile, change avatar, notifications, language, help center. Just scroll down until you can see the last tab, which includes block list, clear cache, account, privacy control, then sign out. Just go ahead and click on sign out, and then the box will be asked if you're sure that you want to log out, select yes, and then just like that, you will be logged out of your account. So this is how simple it is, right? And you will no longer have access to your friends or to the feed or to your chat box. But this is majorly how you can sign out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.